Good morning, weather weenies. It is absolutely glorious out here. Listen to the birds. Thursday, March 20th is the first day of astronomical spring, but meteorological spring began about a month ago. How weird is that? Not weird at all. Here's the difference. Meteorological spring looks at the weather data to kind of determine what are those hottest months that make our summer, what are the coldest months that make our winter. And so meteorological winter is December, January, February. Meteorological spring is the entire month of March, April, May. Summer is June, July, August. You get my drift. Astronomical spring begins on March 20th, and that has to do with where the sun is shining and how it lines up with the tilt of the Earth. You see, our Earth spins and rotates, and everybody knows this is what creates day and night. But we don't spin straight up and down. We spin at about a 23.5-degree angle. This is the reason why we have seasons at all to begin with. So if we have the sun shining mostly on the southern hemisphere because we tilted away, that is our winter here in the northern hemisphere. That is summer for the southern hemisphere. It is the opposite. Our summertime is winter for the southern hemisphere. These equinoxes, the vernal and autumnal, which is the spring and fall equinoxes, are when the sun is shining basically right over the equator. It gets equal amounts. So we are here. Sometimes it can vary a little bit. Sometimes 21st. Sometimes this time it's the 20th. And it's right around those times of the equinoxes that our day and night times are almost equal. So looking at sunrise and sunset times for Manchester, New Hampshire, here we are on the 19th. You see when sunrise is, when sunset. We actually just passed the time where it was an even split of 12 hours of both. The days get longer quicker, but don't forget, it is less than 100 days. It's like 80 some days, I think, at this point. I can't remember exactly, until the days start getting shorter again. Sorry. And the reason it's not exactly 12 hours for the equinox time itself is very interesting. You see, as we rotate and revolve around the sun, if we were facing the sun perfectly and we do one complete rotation as we're moving around on our revolution, you actually need to do a complete revolution plus a little bit to get back to the exact same place facing the sun. That's what accounts for the couple extra minutes that you see here. So enjoy this glorious spring weather and the spring day. It officially rolls in tomorrow, but we're going to go ahead and start celebrating now. Don't forget, if you want to save NOAA, go to my website, wxserena.com/save-NOAA. You can click the link in my bio. And very soon, we are going to start talking about what you can expect for the summer forecast. Is it going to be hot? Is it going to be cold? Is it going to be wet? Is it going to be dry? Details coming at you soon.